Welcome back to my kitchen. I have an unboxing to do today, and yeah, you can see my address on here because I don't care because I don't really live in Quartzsite, but this is my Quartzsite address. And this is my February bundle of my Thrivalist Ready Harvest Pantry Cans. I told you in a video that I ordered mine and I wanted to do an unboxing so you can see how the product is shipped. And we're going to open up some of them. Now, if you've looked on their website, or if you haven't, I just need to let you know that there has been some changes to the February bundle. Since they've gotten the pantry cans in stock, they have ran out of the cheese, and there's something else they ran out of, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. I can't think right off the top of my head. But I wanted to put this video out there showing you the pantry can sizes, and also to let you know that you can still get a bundle. It's called the Meal Builders Bundle. And it's the pantry cans. You still get 6 cans, and you get the, well, it shows on their website right now, 2 sweet corns, 2 chickens, and 2 sausages. So this is going to be a little different than what I got. So this was the original, unless they change something, and we'll see. So this is how it's packaged. It's packaged pretty well that the cans don't move and rattle. And, oh yeah, it's packaged really good. They've been packaged around the, that they came off it. And my box is hitting the tripod. They bet it boxed pretty good. Let's see what I got. I'm going to move this off camera and pull these out. So I did get the cheese. This is one of the products that they're out of right now, is the cheddar cheese. I got the pork sausage crumbles. I did get the ground beef. I think they're getting low on the ground beef, so they pulled it. I think you can still, let me look on their website. Yes, the ground beef you can still get. Lid just doesn't want to stay on. Chicken dices. And people ask me, how full are the cans? Well, we're going to open some of these. The corn and the strawberries. So my order, I ordered it right when the first few days of February. So I did get the original bundle, but you still can get the pantry cans. You just get 2 chicken dices, 2 corns, and 2 of the pork sausage. And all this is already cooked, freeze-dried, fully cooked, freeze-dried, fully cooked, freeze-dried, fully cooked. Alright, let's open some strawberries because I eat my strawberries pretty fast, and I want to see just how full the can is. People ask me, how full are the cans? Well, let's open them up. Alright, so they have the Papa Top. These strawberries are 100% natural, GMO free, best quality, and freeze-dried strawberries, no additives or preservatives. Shelf life 30 years, unopened or open 2 to 4 weeks. They'll last longer than that. They just start to get chewy. So, but I'm gonna put mine in a baggie when I'm done here. Wow, now that's a full can. Look at that. Nice, pretty strawberries. Let's see how crunchy they are. Yeah, that's nice. That's some good strawberries right there. And that can is full. Look at that. Yum. And I'm going to check the sausage. Might just have sausage, egg, and burrito. Sausage, egg, and cheese burritos tomorrow. Let's open the sausage. Yeah, that's pretty full too. Look at that. Smells like sausage. Let's see if it tastes like sausage. Or is it? Tastes like strawberry sausage. Alright, I have a can of the ground beef already open. It's the Thrivalist. So I don't want to open this one yet. And we all know about the sweet corn. I think I have some of that already open too. So you can tell how full the cans are just by turning them upside down. Oops. I just wanted to show you the new pantry cans with Ready Harvest. You can get these on sale right now for the month of February. The link is in the description below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. You can go to my website, frugalrvgal.com. There's a contact page. You can contact me there if you have any questions about the company, about the product. If I don't know, I can find out. So I'd be happy to be your connector for Ready Harvest.